So what do you do when you are driving late at night and you're tired and there's really no parks along the way, there's no place to boondock? Where do you stay? Well, here's the tip. Stay in a parking lot at one of the big motel chains. Now, the secret is you just don't pull in, you got to get permission. But you can get permission, like we just did tonight here at this Holiday Inn along I-75, if it's late at night. Right now it's about 10:30, and this Holiday Inn is full. There are no rooms to rent. So when they told us that, we said, well, would you mind if we just, we have a small little van, a camper van, could we just stay in the parking lot? They said, no problem. So here we are. Now there's one issue that everybody has when you stay in a parking lot, whether it's a Walmart or whether it's a hotel parking lot, those big bright security lights. That can make it awfully bright inside the RV. So what do you do about that? I'll show you.
Okay, you know what this is. It's Reflectrix. In the winter, you use it to keep the heat in. In the summer, you use it to keep the heat out. And you can also use it to keep the light out, like when you're boondocking. Just hit it in the spot. Keep that light out. And we are good.